I'm Kelly Schaffner and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have joined me here for another unboxing. I unbox clothing subscriptions and clothing boxes. Today I'm doing a box that is not a subscription. Today I am doing Lyon and Post. And Lyon and Post is an online store, but it's a try before you buy, no obligation. I love to have clothing sent to me for me to try on in the comfort of my own home and decide if I want to purchase. So in the description box below, you can get all the information about Lyon and Post, and I do leave a referral link there, and I have to give a big shout out to Sheila and Donna. Thank you so much for shopping Lyon and Post through my referral link, and so they have afforded me a little credit on my account, which thumbs up, ladies. I really appreciate it. And if you go through my link, you get an automatic $30 in credit, and they also extend that $30 credit to me. So it's a win-win situation, and thank you, ladies, for your interest, and for all you future ladies that are going to try Lyon and Post. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. So I have to go to work, so let's break into this box. This one has two jewelry pieces, and I have picked everything. It's just, I can't remember what order we are getting these things in. So, wow, isn't this interesting? This is a nice little pouch here. And, oh, we have a necklace. And let me show you the necklace. This is, I do remember putting this in my queue or my shopping cart. This looks like a really small choker necklace. Let me get up close and see if you can see that detail there. So this necklace is by Michelle Campbell. It's a silver necklace. It does have an extender on it, but it looks like a pretty short choker type necklace. So we have that, and I believe this other box will have the matching earrings in it. Yes, we have another Campbell, which these are really interesting jewelry cases that they come in. I haven't seen these before. And, oh, I like these earrings. Wow, doesn't look like there's much room for my ears. So, I'm going to try these on because I think they're very simple and very elegant. Just don't know how my ear is going to fit into that. Then we have, oh, I should have showed you. This is such a beautiful package. I ripped into those. And then we have a little bundle. And so these are things that I have selected and put in my shopping cart. I'm going to start with this. This was a t-shirt. This is by LNA, little black t-shirt. It looked pretty simple, except that it has some interesting cutouts in it. And you know I don't normally wear black, but I thought these cutouts made this tee look very, very interesting. We have another cutout right here. So I think I'm going to have to try it on for you to see the full effect. This one is the one I am so excited about. This is by Daydreamer. It's just a mustard colored sweatshirt with the word optimist on it. So I think this is really representative of me, and it looks like it's going to fit. I'm going to try it on for you. I really, really like this t-shirt. It's a simple black cotton t-shirt, but the cutouts are just make it so unique. It's a piece that I don't have anything similar to this. Let me show you the back. The back looks like a simple black t-shirt, and I just think this cutout here just gives it a very edgy feel and makes it a unique piece, and I am very comfortable. Nothing is showing here, but I do think it looks just a little sexy just where the cutout is. And let me show you these earrings. I have to kind of stand sideways. They are very simple and very elegant. They are already, in just a few minutes I've had them on, feeling a little tight on my ear. There is not much space there, but look at how cute this necklace is. It can be worn a little bit longer. There's about a 2-inch extender on it, and I just think this is so dainty. and lovely. I may be adding this one to my closet. The matching earrings are just too tight. Here is my Optimist sweatshirt, and I really like this sweatshirt. There is plenty of room in it. I will tell you, now that it's on my body, it is not super soft on the inside, and that's kind of what I expect from a sweater. I know this sweatshirt is kind of pricey, and I don't normally wear any type of graphic tees or anything like that, but this spoke to me, so I have to look at that price tag because I don't remember, but look how nicely this necklace lays on this particular piece. I like the necklace, and I feel like I have a tourniquet on my ears as I continue to wear these earrings. Okay, now we'll get to the price tags, and I do know that I have some referral credit, so that will help because nothing's on sale this time. Lyon and Post always sends a personal handwritten note. This one says, "Hi Kelly, excellent choices. The Daydreamer Optimist sweatshirt is perfect to chase away the cloudy days. Enjoy trying on all of your picks. Farewell fitting rooms." Hashtag farewell fitting rooms. You know, this piece is a piece that I won't be able to wear much in this now. It's warming up where I live, and I will be able to get some use out of it in the fall, and it could possibly go on sale. So let's see. We'll go right to this. This Daydreamer Optimist sweatshirt is $88. Oh, I want it so bad. And the pendant necklace in silver is $21. I'm going to purchase this. The black bloom tee by LNA is also $88. That's really expensive for a tee, but boy, do I like the way that tee is cut. And the Michelle Campbell earrings are actually called the V Huggy earrings, and they truly hug. So they will be a great earring for you if you have a little bitty skinny earlobe, and I don't. I have chubby earlobes, and those earrings are $25.50. So I really want to keep this, and with my referral credits, I might be able to keep this. I'm definitely keeping the necklace. Let me know what your thoughts are on this Lyon and Post haul. I love their clothing. If you want to try them, please go through my referral link. And thank you so much for watching my video, for spending time with me today. I really enjoy doing unboxings with you. In a couple days, I will be posting another unboxing video, so please look for that in the future. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thank you all once again. God bless you.